Hi, and welcome to 4445 Niagara Avenue in beautiful Point Loma Heights, San Diego. This stunning Craftsman-style home is perched high above it all. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with almost 2,800 square feet of fabulousness. Hardwood floors, a remodeled kitchen and bathrooms. The gourmet kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances, a Thermidor 6-burner stove with a pot filler, a wine refrigerator, and Sub-Zero refrigerator. An open concept floor plan with French doors leading outside, dual pane windows, and an oversized 2-car garage are just the tip of the iceberg. The romantic primary retreat has a fireplace, a walk-in closet, and French doors that lead to a view balcony. Enjoy a glass of wine while watching the sunset, relax in your spa or around your gas fire pit, dine al fresco in your very private backyard, or watch the SeaWorld fireworks light up the night. Fantastic views of the ocean, the coastline to La Jolla, night lights, and multiple sets of fireworks. This is the house to be at for the 4th of July. Situated high on the hill overlooking Ocean Beach's iconic rows of palm trees and just blocks to restaurants, shopping, nightlife, the beach, and the famous Ocean Beach Pier. Ocean Beach is known for its casual, laid-back vibe, charm, and character with a funky beach style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. Fantastic public schools are a draw for families coming to this area. Multiple award-winning schools are within walking or biking distance. What are you waiting for? Call me today to make this dream your reality.